Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing good. In this video, I'm going to show how to get all links from a web page using BeautifulSoup. Let's create a new folder. Get links. At first, I'm going to create a virtual environment in this folder. Virtual env. Then the name of the virtual environment. Then I'm specifying the Python version of okay. Let's activate the virtual environment. Source bin venv/bin/activate. So now the virtual environment is activated. Now at first I'm going to install the BeautifulSoup. The command is pip install bs4. Okay, let's check the installed package. Okay, BeautifulSoup has installed. Now let's open the let's create a new file. Git links.py and open the file in Visual Studio Code. Okay, at first we are going to import the BeautifulSoup from bs4 import BeautifulSoup. Then we are going to import the request. Import request. Then we are going into get a response from a URL. Response equal to requests. At first we are going to use the URL of Stack Overflow. https stack flow.com. So basically we are going to get all the links from this web page. Then we need to convert the response into text. Then we are going to create a BeautifulSoup object. and the parser should be HTML. And now we are going to get the URLs from the tag with attribute href. So basically we are going to create a for loop and we'll retrieve all the href from the all text of from this HTML. For link in soup dot find all, then print link dot get href. Okay, now we are going to run this program. Okay, we need to also install the request module. Okay, now let's try to run again. And now you can see now we have all the links from this Stack Overflow page, and all the href are showing here. And I will provide a link of this code in the description of this video. And this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching.